Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I made a simple web app that can actually track certain asteroids that are near Earth orbit. And in order to make this project possible, I used NASA's free API key. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, for this project, I decided to use a combination of Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By combining all of these, I get a clean Python Flask app that I can just run. And essentially what it does is it has this main bar that shows all of these special figures, such as how many near-Earth objects there are, as well as how many of them are hazardous. And there's also one that indicates the closest approach to Earth or closest distance that an object was. And essentially what I did is in the Python, I made it so that way it is constantly getting data from the NASA API, and it cleanly displays each of them below that main bar I was talking about. There's other cards there that describes each asteroid that we're receiving from the API, and as well as some of their other characteristics. If you want to see more about the project, specifically how exactly the front end looks and how the back end and how I coded that as well, be sure to check out the description below where I'll post both of the links, one for the front end and the other for the back end. And if you want to replicate this project, you can go ahead and take a look at those. The main thing that I really found that helped me learn more in this project was using Flask. I never made a Flask app before. I had always just made simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript web apps. But once I integrated Python, it was actually so much more cooler and I had much of a better learning experience. I also learned about what NEOs are, near Earth objects, and all those different characteristics and data that the NASA API is sending. Overall, it was a great experience and great introduction into the aerospace field.